John Davidson here with Sprayworks Equipment Group. Let's get ready for another episode of Fix It Friday. John Davidson with your Fix It Friday. Today we're going to discuss the lube reservoir assembly and components. The lube reservoir assembly, located on the A side or hardener side of your proportioner on the PMC, Gusmer, Graco, and many other models. Oftentimes the lube cylinder deposits are placed in the bottom of that, requiring not only this plug to be removed, but the bottom fitting as well, allowing the access to squirt cleaner through this area, perhaps even a pick to get any of the clumped up particles that have deposited in the bottom of the reservoir, will only extend the life and service of the lube reservoir assembly. The purpose of the lubricating system is to assure any hardener that could seep around the packings in the piston area do not come in contact with moisture. Incorporating your daily maintenance in your startup and shutdown procedures will, one, assure that maintenance is executed, and two, that it's done under the safest practice possible. A couple of the safety aspects of servicing the hose lubricating system is assuring that the pressures are down on the machine and also that the heat is off the system. Therefore, one of the best practices would be to do the service of the hose lubricating system prior to startup. As a result of a daily visual inspection, oftentimes it's discovered that the hose lubricating system has come in contact with isocyanates, therefore changing the color of the DOP into a white milky consistency. As a daily maintenance activity, inspecting the lube reservoir assembly for any sedimentary deposits in the bottom of the lube reservoir would be a good indicator to let you know when hardener or isocyanates are bypassing the seats of the seals. Cleaning the bottle thoroughly, assuring that all the deposits and any debris are out of it, will assure that no check valves will be contaminated when the new liquid is then serviced. Just a quick rundown on how the lube reservoir assembly works. You have a return line and a fill line running up to the A-side lube reservoir on the pump piston, the jar, lid. For the lower pressure machines, they generally just put one check valve on them. For the higher pressure and larger models, they actually put two check valves on it just to assure that both hoses don't prime. The intake hose, the larger of the two hoses, is of the fill line, so the check valve will not allow the materials to come back out, but only go up. So we're looking to go up the larger line, and then on the return, which would be the smaller check valve, we would then not allow any liquids to go up that line. Once you've refilled the bottle and set it back into the holder, it may require priming. In that event, simply pick up the bottle from the holder, hold it out at a slight angle, not so much that liquid would leak out around the hoses. A little squeeze on it, you should be able to see the liquid go up the larger line, letting you know that it's primed, and then starting to come down the smaller line.
Comment below and tell us what you would like to see in our next Fix It Friday. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more of these videos.